ladies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you all. This unit comes to us from UNICE Hair. This is how the packaging looks, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you all, and then we're going to get into the specs on the unit.
Three hours later.
Oh wow, it's taking me forever to open this. I'm sorry. Okay, so when you open it up, you can see she does come with a few goodies. We have a cute little card. I love the print on that scarf. Like, that is so cute. Also have a wig cap, some eyelashes, some hair clips. Such a nice little goodie bag. We have the unit here. And then we have some more stuff down bottom, more eyelashes, another wig cap, and a scarf. So thank you so much. So today I'm really excited about this unit because it is a V-part wig, but in a texture that I have not tried yet, and that is body wave. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, so pretty and bouncy. So this is the unit here, and as you can see there's that split for the V part. And it does come with 5 of these clips for you to secure to your natural hair around your parting space. And it has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 down bottom, and adjustable straps. So I have never tried this texture before in the V part. I am kind of nervous about it because it's so sleek, you know. But let me go ahead and try her on. So in the past when I've done these, I have not done any leave out at all. And I'm hoping I can do the same thing with this body wave unit, but we'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open up all of those clips that go around my parting space. And we're going to try her on. I'm just going to look in the mirror over here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to put the first clip here, second one here. How's that looking? Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. Okay, so this is how the unit looks with no leave out. Oh, and this hair feels so pretty. I'm going to need to, you know, keep playing around with it to get it how I want, but for now I'm just going to do my little baby hair. So I do think the hair, it looks great, it feels great, and it's a very nice concept. But for me, with the body wave, you absolutely need some leave out, or you need something to help conceal these tracks that's happening up top. With like a more kinky, curly texture, I think you're able to conceal it a little better. So let's see if I'm able to just fluff up this hair enough so it's not so flat. I just fluff that up some. Because the main thing I want to do is kind of conceal those tracks. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so I was playing around with it a little bit, and I think I did a pretty good job of concealing the wefts on this body wave V part. Like, I'm shook right now. I was really determined to not to have to use leave out, especially with this texture. And so I'm happy with these results. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And as for the hair itself, it's everything. It feels soft. Of course, I love this body wave texture. It's very sleek. I didn't have like too many flyaways or anything like that. I put like no product at all in this hair to keep it so smooth. Like that's just how it came. Of course, I do think if you chose to use your own leave out, it would only have to be a small bit. Like you could get away with using the smallest, tiniest bit to pretty much just comb it over those wefts and you will be good to go. But of course, because my hair is a different color, I wasn't trying to do all of that. But you could achieve like a really seamless look if your hair is this color and you just use a tiny bit of leave out. I'm really happy with these results. Like, I'm shook. I got a body wave texture in like 5 minutes. No leave out. The hair is smooth. It is sleek. I'm not getting much shedding or tangling at all. It's a vibe for me, y'all. Like, it's a win. Let me turn around so you can see the back and soak in some more of this gorgeous texture. So once again, this unit is 24 inches long and it should fit all size heads comfortably because it comes with those clips. So you pretty much adjust it to your needs. You make it fit and work for you. I'm loving the texture, the luster, the fullness. It has a very natural density. It's not too much, but also it's not too thin. I'm here for these body waves. I'm here for these curls. Like, this is a look. I cannot believe I was able to achieve this texture, this style using no leave out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Is this texture something that you'll be willing to try? Have you tried a V-part wig yet and do you plan on doing it? Let's talk about it down in the comment section. And of course, I would like to give a special thank you to UNICE Hair for this gorgeous unit. I love everything about it, really. So sleek, so easy, and very convenient. I will have an exact link for this unit in the description box below. So if you're interested in checking it out, then make sure you go click on that link, go to that website, and you can see all the details. And thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I truly do appreciate you watching it in full. Thank you for continuing to support my channel and rocking with me. And I will catch all of you later.